let's be real. When your IT breaks, it doesn't care what time it is. That's why our support services at Annexus Technologies are designed for real life. We offer 4 levels: ad hoc for one-off issues, standard for basic business coverage, advanced for high priority support, and premium for 24/7 always-on assistance. Our team doesn't just answer a ticket, we learn your setup, your team, and how you work. So when you call, you're not explaining everything from scratch. For example, a hotel chain we support had an internet outage that affected them while guests were fully booked for the weekend. Because they were on our advanced plan, we diagnosed the issue remotely and temporarily resolved the issue by switching over to the redundant link. Then sent our qualified technical team to the site to change the device that failed so we could switch back over to the primary internet connection. From diagnosis to being on site, then fully rectifying the issue, it took us less than 90 minutes. The clients were not even aware that the primary internet went down. No lost orders, no lost clients. Support isn't just about fixing problems. It's about keeping your business moving. If your current IT team is slow or reactive, let's talk. We'll help you choose the right level of support for your business needs and make downtime a thing of the past.